The government's new legislative programme announced last week has rightly put inclusive growth front and centre. In this new report, we at Mott MacDonald set out our thoughts about how the concept of a polycentric powerhouse should be at the heart of socio-economic development in the north of England, as very much as part of the levelling up agenda. It's important for the whole of the UK that the north of England is a thriving economy. This new paper describes how cities and towns across the northern powerhouse region can play to their strengths, not compete, but work as a system. Harnessing this local regional expertise is absolutely crucial if we're going to close the productivity gap between different parts of the country. As a northerner myself, I've seen firsthand how low the productivity is in some parts of the north, and it is something that we absolutely need to address. We see investment in new transport infrastructure as vitally important if places are going to trade with each other on the basis of their strengths.
I think that when we talk about closing the productivity gap between London and the South East and the North of England, what we need to remember is the significant constraints currently on our northern cities and towns fulfilling their economic potential. And that's poor transport links, challenges around education and skills, and wider barriers in terms of investments in innovation and industrial strategy.
Polycentric powerhouse is a concept that towns and cities should focus on their strengths and trade with one another for improved investment in transport, digital and other connections.
And so by being competitive, but by being distinctive, I believe the North of England can make a huge contribution to UK PLC.
Shaping a better future for society, the built environment and how we lead our lives is the essence of planning. And this should be about a combined approach to shaping the transport system and physical mobility, but also the land use system and the spatial proximity it provides. And thirdly, the telecommunication system and the increasing importance of digital connectivity in the way that we gain access to people, goods, employment, services and opportunities.
Thriving regions and nations with strong productivity growth, high wages and improved living standards are an essential ingredient of a successful UK economy. Without prosperity in all parts of the country, our ambitions for post-pandemic recovery, sustained economic growth and net zero transition are unlikely to succeed. Business is a key driver of economic impetus and can be the catalyst for levelling up. Private sector investment has the potential to turbocharge innovation, build wealth and opportunity, and renew a sense of pride in place. But it is incumbent on regional and national leaders to deliver the requisite culture and infrastructure which enables this to happen. Improved connectivity between the towns and cities of the north is a key priority. High-quality transport networks are a fundamental need for business success, opening doors to new connections and opportunities, increasing access to skills, and enabling collaboration between and within sectors. Yorkshire and the Humber, like other regions across the UK, can point to unique strengths upon which to forge its own distinctive competitiveness. It must be empowered to do exactly that.